Guten Abend. Let's go ahead and learn our numbers in German. I have my friend here, Porgy. First off, though, it might seem like it's a Happy New Year today, but actually it's April. It's April. My wife just hasn't changed it yet. So in German, we use our thumb to count, not our first finger. For some reason in America, we do this. Boom, boom, 3, 4, and then back to the thumb for 5. Makes no sense. But in German, we do this. Eins, zwei, drei, vier, fünf. Makes a lot of sense. Yeah, Porgy thinks so too. Let's do it. Eins, zwei, zwei, drei, like try. Vier. When I'm 4 years old, you gotta fear me. Fünf. 5 goldene rings. Sechs. 7. 7. 8. 8. 9. 9. 10. Remember that Z in German is a TS sound. So T-E-N. In German it's like a T-S-E-N. Okay? 10. We have elf, my favorite number. Imagine 2 pointy ears. 11. Elf. Swoof. This is the coolest one. It's like a woof, but it's like a Z in the front and like an umlaut. Swoof. 13. So in German, we have 3, which is dry, and 10, which is 10. Put 3 and 10 together, dry 10. Dry 10. English, we'd say 13. Easier in German. Okay, dry 10. 14. That's correct. 15. 16. Okay, drop S there. 17. Drop the E in. Instead of sieben, it's 17. In English, we say 17. What do you think the next one is? What's 18 in German? You're right. It's 18. 18. And then 19. And then next, the only different one it comes is 20. It sounds like a beautiful swan. Yeah? I agree, Porgy. 20. 20 is 20. Is we're going to say the number at the end, which is 1 and 20 for 21. I'll say ein und 20. I'll say zwei und 20. I'll say drei und 20. Pretty easy. In French, once you get to 80, 90, it's very complicated, like 2 times 20 plus 10. German is just saying the number behind it, and then the tens portion of it. So, if I have 35, I'm going to say the last number first, which is 35. 35. And then, if I have 99, what's 9 in German? Neun. What's 90? 90. 9 und 90. What's 80 in German? 80. What's 81? 81. We can count from 1 to all the way to the end. 99. And we say 100. 100 is 100. And null and void, is 0. So 0 to 100. 205. 212. 225. Right here, you can see our numbers written in German. Okay, here's the eins. It's written like, it looks like a 7 almost. Okay, it's looking a lot cooler than in English. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, over here at the bottom, you can see here's an elf. I play so many card games, and people are like, is that a 9 or a 6? In German, it's always a 9. I mean, German's pretty simple. I love German.